Hello friends, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. My name is Justin, sales manager of K Hair, and today I will tell you shocking truth about Vietnamese hair reviews. If you're looking for Vietnamese hair review, please watch this video till the end before you buy it and you will be prepared. Let's get started right now, right after this intro. The first thing you should know about Vietnamese hair review is its origins. Vietnamese hair comes naturally from Vietnamese young women in northern parts of Vietnam. Natural ingredients are used in Vietnamese hair process rather than chemicals. Instead, they often use the herbal remedy which result in healthier hair. The constant physical labor of Vietnamese women in this field also contributes to their exceptional health. That is why the evolution of Vietnamese hair is so impressive. It is cultural norms for Vietnamese women to have long luxury hair. In this way, clients may pick from a variety of lengths, which is praised in Vietnamese hair reviews. Moving on to deeper things. What do Vietnamese hair reviews often say? When review Vietnamese hair, people always say that is the highest quality on the market. When it comes to hair, it's no secret that Vietnamese evolution consistently ranks first. This hair has a very smooth texture. Vietnamese hair is often a dark black, so it will fit in well with your own hair. In addition, raw Vietnamese hair has a solid reputation for being resilient and adaptable to coloring, styling, bleaching, or more. That is the first fact when it comes to Vietnamese hair reviews. Second fact when talking about Vietnamese hair review is that it has a reasonable price. You can get high quality hair at a low cost. Many Vietnamese hair reviews will show you that buying Vietnam hair from Vietnamese hair factory will allow you to negotiate a price with the producer, which will let you save a lot of money. The third fact is that many wholesalers, when reviewing Vietnamese hair, said that K Hair is one of the most reliable companies to buy from. The hair quality of K Hair is outstanding, not mixed with other ingredients like synthetic. The customer care at K Hair is also extremely good, which comes with a worthy price. If you are looking for a good company for Vietnamese hair, K Hair is a must-have choice. But Vietnamese hair also has some bad review, and this is something you have to be very careful when choosing Vietnamese hair. First of all, Vietnamese hair needs time to be produced. There is a significant amount of manufacturing times involved in Vietnam hair, so be patient while you're waiting for Vietnamese hair review. Vietnamese hair factory like to have their hair as fresh as possible, which is why they do not stockpile it like Chinese hair extensions. The second disadvantage when talking about Vietnamese hair review is that hair don't come in as much color as Chinese hair. The lack of color varieties in Vietnamese hair has led to negative reviews, in contrast to the wide array of shades available in Chinese hair extensions. It is obvious that Chinese hair is mostly blend between natural and synthetic, in contrast to the natural human hair used in Vietnam. The shocking truth about Vietnamese hair reviews is that there are many scams in Vietnam. There are many companies and forms of scam in Vietnam, and they are all trying to trick you to get your money. They will show you some beautiful sample, and then when you place your order, may receive bad hair quality or even nothing. Be very careful before making a purchase decisions at a company with an attractive price. Many Vietnamese hair reviews have pointed out scam companies, but more and more companies will be established. But do not be too afraid. Our company K Hair is a reliable address for you to put your trust. If you need a reputed company to buy Vietnamese hair to avoid scammers, trust K Hair. And those are shocking truths about Vietnamese hair reviews. If you have any questions, please comment below this video or message me via this WhatsApp. I will put my number here. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justine and I will be back for more and more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair. Thank you and see you again.